The giant dipterocarps, oaks, chestnuts, and durians are cut down for their wood, which is then exported to the rich world where people choose to turn a blind eye to the origin of what they want to buy. Almost all the rainforests are in poor countries for which they represent their only resource. And they claim they too have the right to the same industrialization that cleared the forests of rich countries hundreds of years ago. But indiscriminate tree felling would simply be repeating the same mistake, and in the end will do nothing to improve the situation of these countries. Together, we can avoid it. The jungles of Borneo have recently suffered severe droughts as a result of the El Niño phenomenon, and this has made them more vulnerable to fire. But investigations indicate that fires have been deliberately provoked by the timber companies. There are even gangs of illegal timber merchants who act with total impunity. The government is trying to combat this voracious demand for wood through an international system of exports with certificates guaranteeing it was obtained in a manner which is sustainable and compatible with the environment.